Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your editing app and setting a vertical 9:16 project. That ensures perfect Instagram fit. Once set, import your audio or voiceover, then split the script into short caption-sized chunks so viewers read comfortably. Make sure to select a legible font and high-contrast colors. This improves accessibility and watch time. At the same time, create a baseline timing. Assign ~1, 5 twos per 3/6 word line, so text and speech stay synchronized as you continue. Now you focus on motion and sync. Align each text segment to the precise audio phrase, then add subtle entrance and exit animations. A soft fade or slight upward slide keeps attention without distraction. Once done, apply easing to every animation so motion feels natural rather than robotic, and nudge timings to match music beats or speech cadence. Also, drop a muted background or 20-40% overlay behind text to improve legibility and preserve the aesthetic of your video. Finish by polishing visuals and exporting with Instagram-friendly settings. H.264 or HEVC, 3060 fps, and a bitrate around 812 mbps for sharp text. Preview the file on your phone to check font size, spacing, and timing in real-world conditions, then make quick adjustments if lines overlap or read too fast. If captions fall out of sync, realign the text layers to the audio using frame-accurate cuts or slip edits. That single troubleshooting step fixes most timing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.